a grid and a slant line and asking us to find the length of that slant. Now, you guys have worked with this where you've gone through and you've found the slope of a line. Today, what they're asking is they want to know the length of that line. How long is it? They don't want to know the slope of the line. They want to know the length of it. So remember back when we would count out slope, we would do something like this where we would connect our dots, making a right triangle. Well, we're going to go ahead and do that same concept. No, we're not going to find the slope, but we're going to use those dimensions on each side to find, using Pythagorean theorem, the length of that side. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. This should look familiar because it was just the last one that we did, the same dimensions. Okay, so when we went through and we did a squared, 4 squared, plus b squared, 4 squared, equals c squared. Remember, we ended up with this together, giving us 32, because each of them were 16. Okay, so now when I go through to do that, I can go ahead and, what was that, 32, whoops, gave us 5.7. So this is about 5.7, whatever the units are. They didn't give us units, so we would just label it as units. Okay, so that's working off of a slant line. So when they're giving you that, they don't want to know the slope. They're asking you to find the length of that line using Pythagorean theorem. So let's try another one of those. So once again, we're going to connect making a right triangle because that's how we can use Pythagorean theorem. Okay, we can't sit there and kind of guesstimate what it is because it's cutting through corners. Okay, so now if we use our Pythagorean theorem, my right triangle, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. Okay, so a squared, 4 squared, plus b squared, 6 squared, equals c squared. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16, plus 6 times 6 is 36. That gives me c squared. 36 plus 16 gives me 52, equals my c squared. So to get rid of the squared, we do the square root. So we can leave our answer in a decimal, so we're just going to go ahead and punch in the square root of 52 on our calculator, and that's 7.2. So this would, D would be 7.2 units. It's just another format that they can go ahead and give you